right. Okay, guys, so we've been talking about mealworms and the life cycle of the mealworms and how they change from, what do they change from? They start with a what? They start with an egg, right? Then what happens? They turn into the mealworm, which is the larva. Yep. And then they turn into the pupa, which is where they are changing. And then they turn into the beetle. Okay, so you've seen all of those in our last videos. You've seen all of the different stages. I have right here, you guys can see what's happening in their little house. And we're going to do 2 quick little experiments. Now that we know all about the life cycle, we're going to do some experiments with them. Okay, don't worry, they will not be harmed in the making of these videos. So 2 questions I want you to think about are, what color do mealworms like best, black or white?
Which one was it?
I don't know, we have to do the experiment. I'm going to put them kind of right on the middle.
They picked it white.
And we're going to see which.
They picked it brown.
Okay. Okay, don't tell them, they haven't seen it yet. Okay, so I'm gonna put a couple in there. I'm gonna try to find some guys that are moving pretty good. And we're just gonna watch them a little bit and see which color they go to first. Jackson, you're on camera, buddy. Okay, so I got four guys here. Okay, now watch what's happening. Let's talk about our observations. You don't have to write this in your notebook, guys, but I just want you to be observing. What's happening here, Jax? There's 4 of them. Where are they kind of hanging out? Talk loud so they can hear.
They're kind of here. They're kind of in there.
Kind of in the middle. What color do you think they're mostly touching? Black or mostly white?
Touching black. They're mostly touching.
You think? I think 2 of them are mostly totally on white.
No. They're going back to white. They're going back to brown. Actually, it's black.
Yeah, it's black and white. And I have a question down here at the bottom. It says, why do you think they chose this color? So think about what color they're hanging out at mostly, and why do you think they chose that color? Oh, this guy's totally going for the black.
Well, that guy's on the black.
This guy's on the black also, okay.
That guy too.
Looks like they're heading kind of over here. I'm just gonna hold this guy here so he doesn't escape. This guy seems to be happy on the black. He's running away quickly. Jax, why do you think they're liking the black better than the white?
Because they're more a little bit dark.
Because it's a darker color. Why do you think mealworms like a darker color? What do they like to do when they're inside of here?
They like to hide.
They do like to hide. So we're thinking that these mealworms are liking the black better because it's easier for them to hide. Yeah, now look, this guy came over to the white. Think he's gonna stay on the white, or is he gonna turn around and go back to the black?
No.
They're kind of just frozen. Nope, here he comes back. He's not liking the white. Maybe they're hanging out too close to where all their little food and stuff is. Maybe that's kind of stopping them. Oh, there they go. 2 are heading over to the black pretty quick. I'm gonna dump their stuff. Maybe that'll stop them a little bit. Okay, so it looks like, again, they're still hanging out on the black. So we think that it's because they like to hide, right? And the black will help them hide better. I think you're right. Is that what you guys chose? Was your prediction correct? Yes? All right. So now that we know that they like black and that they move pretty quickly, I'm going to put this under here. We're going to have a little race. Okay. So I have a start and a finish. And I just made a, I'm going to move this up so you guys can see a little bit. I just made a little white piece of paper in the middle so that you'll be able to see them on each side.
Start? Where's the start?
Well, the start's down here where it says start.
How did I get up?
They're gonna run. Okay, so I'm gonna get 2 mealworms kind of quickly. And we're gonna see who is the winner. Okay. I'm gonna put this guy over here. Don't start yet, little buddy. He's not moving too quick. That's a beetle. See how good they like to hide. Oh, this guy looks like he's moving quick. He's a big one. Come here, buddy. All right. And then here's this guy over here. All right, so I'm going to kind of put them on their sides. Up there. Oops. I didn't tape that very good. Come here, buddy. I'm going to try to get them to race. Nope. See, this is what happened last time. They found the crack. You guys are little buggers. See, guys, sometimes science experiments don't work out the way that you
Want them.
You really want them to work out. Oh my goodness. Get on top of the paper, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna put him here. Nope, you're going the wrong way. This guy right there. All right. You're both facing the wrong way. Turn around this way. Okay, go, go, go. See who's gonna win.
Are they going?
They are going. Who's gonna win? The left or the right? Who is it? Oh, it's the left one. He was the winner. Yay. That was pretty fun, wasn't it? Yeah. Maybe you guys could find some worms in your garden and you could race these worms if your parents let you and if they say that they are safe to race. That was fun, huh? See you next week. Bye.